Today on Wire Image Daily, Blake breaks down Pippa Lee, Paris pops up at a new boutique, and we go launch party hopping across the globe. Actress Robin Wright Penn co-stars with Gossip Girl's Blake Lively in the new drama, The Private Lives of Pippa Lee. Robin plays older Pippa to Blake's younger version.
Robin and I spent a little bit of time together before shooting this, and I would watch some of her dailies and she would watch some of mine, and we would try to keep a little, just like some of our physical attributes, we try to make them the same.
On the east end of Long Island, actor Adam Brody enjoyed a fall walk with a female companion while taking a break from shooting his latest movie, The Romantics. Meanwhile, his co-stars Elijah Wood and Jeremy Strong had fun turning the tables on the paparazzi cameras. Actress Jennifer Garner was spotted in Los Angeles carrying her adorable daughter, Serafina, while picking up her other daughter, Violet, from school. Elsewhere in La La Land, actress Anjelica Huston joined socialite Paris Hilton and her mom Kathy at the opening of their friend Dana Davis's new pop-up shoe store on Melrose.
I'm just here to support Dana. I've known her since I'm a little girl, and also I love shoes, so I wanted to come check out her new collection, and just really proud of her. The shoes are beautiful. I just went back there and looked.
It was a quite busy night for celebrity launch parties around the world. In WeHo, actress Lindsay Lohan pulled out the poses at the new pop movement bash held at Kitson Men's Shop. Over in the Big Apple, actresses Emmy Rossum and Becky Newton did an early Christmas shopping at the opening of the Gap concert store in Soho, while Fergie and her Black Eyed Peas cohorts were up to monkey business at the Jump footwear launch. Turning up in Madrid was supermodel Claudia Schiffer, who presented the new Alberta Ferretti fragrance at El Corte Inglés. And finally in Milan, actress Eva Mendes showed off her sexy new ad for Calvin Klein body jeans. Well, that's the latest celebrity sightings. More coming your way.